Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Today, I'm going to show you how to use ChatGPT to create a professional email outreach template for sales, so you can connect with potential clients faster and increase your chances of getting a response. Let's dive right in. Open ChatGPT and clearly describe what you need. Instead of saying, write a sales email, give details like your industry, the type of product or service you're selling, and the tone you want. For example, write a polite but persuasive sales outreach email for a software company offering a project management tool to small businesses. Once ChatGPT gives you the draft, read it carefully and make sure it's tailored to your audience. You can edit the opening line to include the recipient's name, adjust the product benefits to fit their needs, and add a clear call to action like booking, a demo, or replying for more details. If you want to maximize results, you can also ask ChatGPT to create multiple subject line variations. This will help you A/B test and find the one that gets the highest open rate. And that is it. Now you've learned how to use ChatGPT to create a sales email outreach template that's ready to send and optimize to get results. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to Guide with Samuel for more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching.